Hi everybody, this is Maria Clark at Sweet Willow Designs, and thanks for joining me today. I have something really exciting and really special that I wanted to share with you. I have a group member, Jennifer Wells, who is just the sweetest, and she had contacted me about one of the designs that I did on a little stone, and she had been working with that design, and she had made a jewelry set, and it's a little jewelry set that was just the sweetest, and she wrote me and said, I would like to send this to you. And so I'm just so thrilled to be able to share with you what Jennifer said. I haven't even opened the package yet. She's been like sitting on pins and needles waiting for me to open it, and I've been waiting to do a video so that I could share it with everybody. I'm just so excited and thrilled by this. So I really want to open this with you together. It's such a thrill to receive a piece of Happy Mail like this, so I want to share it with everybody. So here we go. Let's go down and look at the package. Okay, so she sent us in this little package. Let me open this, and we'll see what's in here. Oh, she says a little thank you card, and she says, Maria, thank you so much for sharing your art tutorials with us. I really enjoy them. This is my small way of showing you appreciation by giving back. Thank you, Jennifer. And it's sincerely Jennifer Wells. Jennifer, I'm just thrilled beyond imagining. You don't even know. It's just so exciting to receive this. So thank you so very much for that sweet message. So let's look at what's in the package. Here's Jennifer's business card. So Jennifer has a Facebook page, and she has sent me her card, and it's Jen's Magical Creations, and I'm going to link her Facebook page below, so go over and show Jennifer some love when you get a chance. And it's Jen's Magical Creations out of Burleson, Texas. And she just has, first of all, a beautiful picture of herself on this card, and she's the owner artist of this business. And aren't these cards nice? Some really pretty details on these cards. And then her business is all of your rock painting needs: birthday, anniversary, holiday, wedding, birth, teachers, awards, etc. You name it, I can do it, and I know she can. So go on over and show Jennifer some love, and I want her to know how much I appreciate her sending this. So there's Jennifer's card, and then here's the package. So there's actually a pendant and an earring set. And this, I want to make sure I've got this in the frame here. Okay, that's good. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely gorgeous. Gold dotting and then a resin finish on this. It's just absolutely beautiful. Look at how much depth she gets with that resin. Oh my gosh. And this is on a domino, and it's she's got it signed and dated, and that's really fun detail. So it's on a real domino. That is so cool, and a pretty gold bail that matches, and on a black cord. And she's left this so it can be adjusted, and that's really nice, because I think it's nice to be able to give people a piece of jewelry that they can size, where they like on the length of their necklace, on their neckline. So that is absolutely beautiful. Flawless. A flawless finish. And then there's a set of earrings that match. So let's take a look at these. Oh my gosh. Equally as beautiful. And you know what's really pretty about these? Is the attention to detail. Because notice how the pattern is set for right and left, and I think that's really a nice touch, Jennifer. And it's got these two, of course, little hook ear wires, and these are on little mini dominoes. I've never seen anything like that before, those little mini ones. Oh my gosh, these are just the most precious things. Look at how pretty this set is. I want to make sure I have it in my shot there well. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Hey, Jennifer, I want to thank you so much. It is just beyond words that you would send something like that, and I really appreciate it. So I wanted to take the time to do a little special video and to recognize you, and hope that everyone goes over to your Facebook page and checks that out. So again, Jennifer, thank you so very much. I so appreciate you taking the time. Thanks. Bye-bye.